Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Ants. So today I will show you how to add multiple accounts in your same TikTok application, and this feature almost works for all Android and iOS devices. But before going to our tutorial, first of all you can check if you are using new version of TikTok or not. So once you check it and then click to open that application and then click to sign in your primary TikTok account details. So once this process is completed, now in this feed section, you can press this me icon and it is placed at the bottom of fifth option. And this is one of my TikTok account, but this account is created by simply link my Facebook account details. So in this section, simply you can press your profile name and it is placed at top of your TikTok profile picture. So finally I get to the add account option. So if you want to add more than one account, simply you can press this add account option and it asks for your login or sign up processes by using Facebook or Google or Instagram or Twitter account details. So you can log in this TikTok by using all social network IDs. So otherwise you can use your mobile number to create the TikTok account, but here I try to select Google. So I try to select one of my Google ID. So once you add your another account, it automatically switches to that particular TikTok account, and sometimes it asks for your TikTok video language, and this is for your choice. So next, so how to switch this TikTok profile into your previous account? So same way, you can press this me icon and the fifth option. Now in this profile section, you can press your profile name. So here it shows me all TikTok account details. So if you like to switch it, just tap your account and it automatically goes to that particular TikTok account. And same way, you can do this process for adding the more than one TikTok accounts. So overall I complete my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Ants, and thanks for watching.